Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to unpair Bluetooth earphone to our Samsung phone. Guys, you want to unpair this earphone to your phone, so guys you can unpair. And guys, now let's see how to unpair this earphone to our Samsung phone. In this video guys, we are going to talk about it. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to unpair it. Then guys, you can see this connection setting first one. So guys, click here. Guys, click on your Bluetooth. So guys, we have paired this earphone and the setting option guys to unpair. You can see, so you can see your unpair option. So guys, we will click on unpair, so your Bluetooth earphone will unpair. As you can see this red light, and guys we will off it. So I hope friends you have understood how to unpair Bluetooth earphone to our phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet the next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.